Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, we are going to discuss the example problems on the XOR and XNOR gates. Okay, yeah, in the last video, we have seen the symbol, that working, the truth table, and the properties of XOR and XNOR gate. Yeah, let us discuss examples problems in this video. Okay, we'll change this color. We need to find what is the equivalent gate to the given circuit. Yeah, you're seeing that this is A, this is B bar, okay. Yeah, we know that this is the XOR gate. Y is equal to A XOR B bar, okay. Yeah, we know that Y is equal to A XOR B. Y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar, okay. Yeah, let us write here. This is A bar, and then next B bar, then plus, then it is A, then it is B bar, and then we know that from the basic properties, yeah, of Boolean algebra, B bar whole bar is B. Yeah, let me show it how it works. Let it would be B. Let B is 1, then B bar, that means its complement, it will become 0. And then again B bar whole bar, it will become complement of B bar, that is 0. That means 0 will becomes 1. Okay. That means B is equal to B double bar. Okay. That means B bar whole bar. Yeah. It is right B here. A bar B bar plus A B. We know that Y is equal to A bar B bar plus A B is equal to A XOR B. Yeah, this is the equivalent circuit to XOR. Let us move to the next problem. In this, we need to find what is the output Y. Yeah, we know that this is the AND gate. The output of the AND gate is A dot B, and we know that the output is NAND gate is A dot B whole bar. Okay, this is the XOR gate. Yeah, let us write XOR gate truth table here. A B, this one would be Y. Yeah, right. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, yeah, we know that in the XOR gate, when the input is 0 0, output is 0. When the input is 0 1, output is 1. When the input is 1 0, the output is 1. When the input is 1 1, the output is 0. Yeah, you can see that when the output A dot B is 1, A dot B whole bar, it should be 0. Yeah, right. And when the input A dot B is 0, A dot B whole bar is 1. Simply write here 1. Okay, I hope you understand that. Here the input is C. Yeah, let us check in this case. Let us consider this one and this one. Let us consider A as C. When the C is 0, the output is 1, that is complement. When the C is 1, output is 0, that is its complement. Then write Y is equal to C bar. Okay, now guys, let us move to the next problem. Okay, yeah. In this case, we need to find the output by. Yeah, let us first give input as 0 0 0. That means x as 0. When the input is 0 0 to the XOR gate, we know that the output is 0. Okay, let's write 0 here, then it will again become 0, then it will again become 0. Okay, then yeah, let us write the table here x and then y. Yeah, right. Let it be x is 0 here. The output y is 0, and then I will change the color. Okay, let the input be 1, that means x is equal to 1 1 1 1. 1 XOR 1, we know that it is 0. 0 XOR 1 is equal to 1. 1 XOR 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let's write 1 here and write 0 here. I will change the color to blue. Okay, yeah. Here, right, y is equal to 0. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Okay, let us do the same thing. First, give x is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. We know that 0 XNOR 0 is 1. 1 XNOR 0 is 0. 0 XNOR 0 is 1. Okay. Yeah, guys, let us write the table here. X, Y. Yeah. When it is 0, the output is 1. Okay, right? Yeah, guys. Let us give the input as 1. I will change this color. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. We know that when the input is 1, 1 to the XNOR gate, the output is 1. Okay. Here also 1 XNOR 1 is 1. Here also 1 XNOR 1 is 1. When X is 1, Y is 1. Okay. Yeah, let us change this color to blue. Yeah, let us write here y is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, guys, I hope you understand how we solve the example problem. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, guys. Thank you for watching.